Hello students, welcome and welcome back to my channel Hardest Classes. Yes.
Unstoppable, 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 unstoppable.
Yesterday I had uploaded a video which is all about the introduction of the accountancy of class 11th. Today we are talking about some introduction or some basics of the chapter first, which is the basics of accounting. In this chapter we are going to read about the factors of accounting, its class characteristics and its importance of accounting. Okay? So the first topic is we have to study about accounting, which is basically the recording, summarizing and reporting the financial transaction which occur in day-to-day life of a business management. So what is a financial account, financial transactions? What is this all about? In class 11th you will also read the studies for economics and the economic development in India, the two books which are the subject of economics. So what is economic transaction or the financial transaction? That means when we deal with someone for the value of money or in terms of money, we could say it as a financial transaction or economic transaction. That means all the transactions which included money are the transaction which will be recorded in our accounts of the company. Okay, there are two types of transactions: internal and the second one is external. What is internal, external? That means if you have to purchase raw material for your production, that means it's an external transaction. But if you have to pay the wages of labor or the factory charges, that is internal. I hope you are understanding the factors that financial transactions are basically of two types: internal and external. External is the transactions which you are making or your company is making from the external persons of your company. I mean, they are not your board of directors, they are not your employees, they are not your workers, and they are not your shareholders. Okay, they are the person outside of the company you are dealing with. So this is called external transactions, and when you deal with these kind of peoples, which this is called internal transactions. I hope you are getting that. Now we will talk about the parts of accounting, the steps or the process of accounting. That includes four basic steps. The first is identification of the financial transactions. A day-to-day life of a business, there are a lot of transactions occur in the morning to evening session of a business. Then how will we find that which transactions are financial or which are non-monetary or non-financial? So this is the step where we identify the transactions which are financial and which are non-financial. That means only financial transactions will be recorded for further process. Will be sent for further process. For example, you have purchased raw material. This is a financial transaction. But if you have awarded an employee with an award of Employer of the Month, that is a non-financial transaction. But I am not saying that any one of these are less important, because this is essential part of your business. If you want to carry on your business, you have to purchase raw material, you have to sell the goods, you have to manage all the things. But if you are providing an award of the Employee of the Month to your employee, you are increasing their honesty towards your business. They will work more efficiently than they were doing before. So that's also an important factor which will benefit you in the long term of your business. But in accounting, we will not talk about the non-financial transactions. We will talk about only financial transactions. So in next step, we will forward this towards our next step, which is measurement. I mean to say that if you are purchasing raw material, you have to estimate that what amount of raw material you are going to purchase. I mean to say that if you have a small plant, so you don't have any need to purchase a raw material worth rupees 2 crore. You can estimate it on your production capacity. If your company can produce 200 products per day, so why will you purchase raw material of 1000 goods per day? I mean, until and unless it's not perishable, you can purchase it, there is no harm. But if the goods is perishable and you think that in future then the value of the raw material will decrease, then I will suggest that you should not purchase the large stock of amount that will make a loss for you. Now we have estimated the value of the raw material. We will forward this transaction to our recording step, in which we will record this in the books of accounting, or we can say the accounting treatment. Now in the accounting treatment we can have several books in our day-to-day life. So first of all we have to classify the transaction we have done in the manner of our books. I mean, if it's a purchase, then we will record it in purchase book. If it's a sale, then we will record it in sales book. It's a cash flow statement, then we will cash book, and so on. There are a lot of books. So we have the purchased goods worth rupees 1 lakh rupees. So it's a purchase of raw material. So we'll record it in the purchase book as a purchase entry of our raw material. So after identification, measurement and recording, we will transfer this result, or you can say report, to our higher authorities so that they can analyze and interpret the data for their future wants or future comparison to their things. That's all the step of accounting process. I mean, identification, measurement and recording and communication is the basic step of our accounting treatment. Now, what are the characteristics of accounting? I mean, what is accounting features that are, it's a science as well as art. How it is science? Science have basic laws and rules we have to follow in physics, like law of Newton and law of conservation of mass and law of conservation of momentum, energy. There are several laws we have to consider them while calculating the values in physics, chemistry and mathematics. So it's basically science because it has several laws we have to follow to maintain the sustainable record and the understanding record for everyone. The next step is art. How this is art? I can say that how it is art because art is not learned. I am saying because everyone is not perfect in art. I mean, a dancer must not be an actor must not be a singer, and a singer will not be a painter. Everyone has its special art, and we have studied accounts. I am personally talking about, I am since 5 years since I am studying accounts, and you are fresh in the commerce field. So this is an experience you have gained in the 5 years, which will make you an expert, or you can say it's an art of yourself that you can record without any problem. But if you are given accounting treatment to a science student, that it will not bear any solutions of the questions. Now the next step is our record only financial transaction, as the accounting is all based on money treatments. Remember that accounting is dependent on money treatments. There are no place for the feelings or you can emotional transactions. There are only money transactions held in your business are recorded in accounting. So basically this is an accounting which is recording only the financial transactions. Next is capture value of transaction of monetary terms. जो the value we have purchased of the raw material, the machinery and everything else which can be referred in monetary terms, we have to estimate the value of that so that we can register it in our books and we can make a future plan for purchasing, selling that product specifically. Service activity, basically accounting is a service which is provided by an accountant to the senior most authority, to the external affairs and to the external parties of the company, because it's a rule of the government that everyone must have to show their accounts at the end of their accounting year or accounting period. Next is objective of accounting. Objective of accounting includes the maintaining records of business transactions. Why the accounting is prepared? That's obvious. We were accounting because we will record all the financial transactions occurring in our business in day-to-day life. Second is finding out profit and loss of the business, because business is all about gaining profit. I'm not talking about the non-profit organizations. I'm talking about the profit business organizations that are private businesses. This all depend on the profit gaining, profit percentage. That means if the business is not gaining profit, it's certainly sure that it will be shut down in the future coming time. So this helps us to find the record of the profit and the loss we have suffering or gaining in the last period. Accounting is all about the business transactions having in our day-to-day life. That means we will show our business image to the external companies or competitive firms or the government. That means we will show our inflation of money which is circulating in our business in day-to-day life, that shows your business representation in your competitive market. That means it will show that how your business is strong from your competitors, or what you have to do for being strong than your competitive firms. The next point is providing accounting information. Whenever you want the information of your accounts, that when these goods were purchased, if it is not recording, then you certainly going to face a problem for having the exact date and time and the amount you have purchased that good. For example, you have to sell a machinery. A machine was purchased in 2008 on 1st April in the amount of 1 lakh rupees. This was recorded in your machine account, and you can see and find out that you have purchased the machine in 2008 on the 1st April and the money was 1 lakh rupees. But in case you suppose you were not recording that time, then how will you estimate the value on by the applying depreciation on that machine? You will find out the current value of the machine by the depreciating its value by the point of time. So that's also a very major role that accounting helps provides our accounting informations. Next is functions of accounting. As we have seen that there are 4 major functions, which are identification, measurement, recording and communications. But there is not enough for the process of accounting, or you can say features of accounting. There are some more steps we will learn, that are summarizing, communication, analyzing, interpreting and classifying the point of the treatment, or you can say transaction. So we are talking about summarizing. Summarizing means the account of your book are, suppose you are having final accounts of your company, that will include trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet. So no one cares about your trading and profit and loss account, because there are a lot of complications in calculating. No one will consider your trial balance, I guess. No will consider your purchase book. No will consider your sales book. No will consider your cash book, I can say. They will only see the balance sheet of your yearly accounting. So basically this is a summarizing your all the yearly transactions into a small, recording the all assets and liabilities of your company, and the assets and liability representation in your company will show how strong your company stands against your competitive firms. Next is analyzing and interpreting. As I said in last few minutes ago, that after preparing the report, the accountant submits its report to higher authorities like BOD and the CEO of your company. That they will analyze it, the growth of the company, and they will interpret some results that we are going to have a profit in your futures, and you will have surely gaining your goodwill in futures, or you have to suffer the loss because your competitive firms are going very high than your liabilities are. So basically this is analyzing and interpreting the data which you want from your accounting treatment. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you are getting your doubts for the chapter 1. Basically the first 2 and 3 chapters are theory, but you are surely getting interest after the 3 chapters. Be with us, we will crack this. Accounting is not a big deal. We are providing the lectures of statistics also. You can check it out on our channel. So subscribe the channel, like the video, and if you have any doubt and queries, contact us on Telegram, Instagram and Facebook. The link is in our description. So bye bye, take care. We will see you on next video.
Killer's name.